Hello, today we are solving October 2022 IAL Unit 2, question number 2, part C. Okay, in that part, subpart 2, labor rate variance. Okay, what is the budgeted? Okay, there was a budgeted system, and they had variances, means the workers labor cost and the labor hours change, material cost and material hours change. So in this we have to calculate what was the difference in the budgeted rate, okay, that has happened. So that let's calculate this. So the first one here, the labor rate, any cost, labor cost is rate times the number of hours they worked. Okay, so now the rate, the difference in the rate between the budgeted rate of payment to the workers. Okay, what was the budgeted rate we had assumed, minus actual rate of payment that has happened, okay, times actual hours worked, okay, by them. What was the actual hours worked by them? Now first one is a budgeted rate of payment. What was the budgeted rate of payment? It was already given. It is assumed to be equal to 6.9 pounds per hour they will be paid. They will be paid at this rate. But actual rate of payment, let's calculate, okay, what has happened. Actual rate of payment. Okay, so now these people, they didn't work for, okay, they didn't work for 40 hours. They were supposed to work 8 into 5, 40 hours, but on Thursday afternoon they didn't work for 2 hours because of the power cut. So if they were paid at this rate 6.9, okay, so if they were paid at this rate, what is the actual rate of payment? Okay, so 45 employees, and instead of, okay, 8, they had to work 8 into 5, okay, they had to work 8 hours per day, 5 days a week. So 45 employees, okay, each had to work for 8 hours per day, okay, per day, and for 5 days a week, okay, but they didn't so because they missed 2 hours. These people, they missed for 2 hours. They didn't work for 8 hours, they missed 2 hours. Okay, so which means they worked, instead of 40 hours they worked only for 38 hours they worked, and the rate of payment was 6.90 for those hours worked. So that is going to be equal to 11,799.0 pounds. And also there was an overtime payment, okay, that has happened. Okay, so an overtime is paid for a time and a quarter for Friday afternoon for 1 day. Okay, for 1 day Friday afternoon payment. Okay, what was the payment rate? We will see. So they are saying that 45 employees were there, and each of them worked 1 hour overtime, and they will be paid, if they worked 1 hour overtime, they will be paid, instead of 6.09 pounds, okay, 6.09 pounds per hour, okay, they will be paid an extra of 1.25, okay. So 1.25 extra multiplied, so they not added, so it is multiplied 1.25 multiplied by 1.25 pounds extra they will be paid. Okay, they were paid. So that is going to be equal to 45 into 1 into 6.90 into 1.25. So that is going to be equal to 388.125. Okay, so that is going to be equal to 388.13 pounds. Okay, that is going to be this much pounds. So the actual rate of payment that has happened, the actual rate of payment, okay, that has happened, actual cost of payment, this is the total cost, actual cost of payment, okay, for 45 employees. Cost of payment for 45 will be this value plus this value. So that is going to be equal to 12,187.13 pounds. Okay, now the rate we have to find, the actual rate of payment. Okay, this is the total cost of payment. Now the hours worked, so that is equal to 12,187.13 divided by 1755. The actual hours worked was 1755 hours. So how did we get that? 1755 hours they had worked. So we had already calculated that. So the actual hours worked 1800 minus 90 plus 45. So the actual hours worked was 1755 hours. So I am going to divide this by this hours, actual hours worked. So that will give me the actual rate of payment. Okay, so it is going to be equal to 187.13 divided by 1755. So that is 6.9442 okay pounds was paid. Now let's calculate the difference. Okay, now the variance that has happened because of this. So the variance, labor rate variance will be equal to this 6.9 per hour difference. Okay, budgeted was this much, but actual paid has got increased, okay, to this much. So this is per hour into the actual hours worked was 1755 hours. So that is going to be equal to minus 77.63 pounds. So that is equal to 77.63 adverse.